If you are trying to hit your first 6 or even 7 figures, earn extra income to supplement or replace the 9 to 5, and you're trying to drive your dream car for free, you're not gonna wanna skip past anything I have for you in this video, because I'm gonna break down exactly how I'm earning 6 figures from the Turo platform and how I can teach you to do the same thing. My name is Trevor, and I'm a 6-figure earner off the Turo platform. I have over 30 vehicles and I'm a mentor to over 300 successful students that are using my strategies. We have helped scale multiple 6 and even 7-figure businesses and entrepreneurs just like yourself. We help all of our students build their Turo fleet from the ground up. That way they can get guaranteed bookings and earn income from the platform instantly. I'm gonna be real with you, when I was younger, I always wanted to be in the nicest cars. So that's kind of stuck with me to this day. So when my friend told me about a car sharing app like Turo, I was all in. I was like, if I can drive whatever I want and have somebody else pay for it, then that seems like a no-brainer. Even if I get my dream car and I'm only paying a portion of the note, that's still a win-win because I'm still driving around my dream car paid for by somebody else. To be honest, it's all about saving money and making money. If you don't know about Turo, it's a car sharing app where you can host your vehicle, rent your vehicles out to make money. Try to think of it as like Airbnb, but for vehicles. And I felt like if Airbnb was winning, then Turo's gotta be winning. Also, Turo is a lot less risky to get started with, and it's an easier gig, so I had to jump in and try it. So let me tell you exactly what I did. First, I locked in and invested in my credit. From there, I got some business funding, that way I could back myself in case anything happened, and then I started hosting on the platform. I bought 6 cars within a week, and then I started hosting. I seen how much money I was generating, which was anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. So I figured with simple math, if I scale this to 10 or 20 cars, my numbers are gonna triple and double. All while that was going on, I also figured out how to automate my system so that it was about 95% passive, because I didn't want to be as hands-on with everything that I had going on in my life. In less than 3 months, I had over 30 vehicles on the platform that was generating anywhere from 30 to 50K in revenue on the platform. I knew right then and there that I had cracked the code on Turo and I could make an easy way for other people to get into the business. I started out with a couple local friends and family members with their current financial and credit situation, and then I knew if it could work for them, it can guarantee work for anybody else. Look, it's 3 easy steps to being successful on the Turo platform. It starts with credit repair, access to business funding so that it can back you if anything unforeseen happens in your business, and the blueprint on Turo. With this 3-step play, I'm telling you, you cannot fail. Cannot fail, and you will make guaranteed money. It's literally a no-brainer. And then it's still a win-win, because even if you don't want to grow, scale, or start your Turo business, you still get a complimentary credit repair and access to business funding. That way you can go pursue whatever you got going on right now. I don't know why you wouldn't want to start a Turo fleet, because you can drive around these luxurious vehicles for free, but yeah, that's just my take on it. I'm telling you right now, I would do Turo 100 times over any other extra income source there is out there, because it's so easy and it's kind of a dope gig. It's almost about 100% passive, and you get to drive around any car that you put in your fleet. Man, I say it time and time again, if you're not a part of this Turo train and you're not on this money train, you need to hop on, because you will get left behind. Turo is growing rapidly and everybody's starting to catch the wave. So I'm trying to put you ahead of everybody else and get you started. That way you can start getting this money as well. That being said, if you want me to personally build your 6-figure Turo fleet by optimizing your credit so that the lenders never tell you no, and get you access to 50K or more in business funding, then I would definitely book a call with me by clicking the link below. But let me be honest with you, I value your time just like I value my own. So if you're not gonna show up to the call willing and able to invest, please do not book the call. Our results show that we work best with clients who are at least generating 5K monthly in revenue, and our results show that we work best and see the quickest results with clients who are generating at least 5K per month, or clients that have a 620 or higher Experian credit score. I want you to remember those data points. Look, this is what I wish I had when I started. I kind of went in blind, I took all the risks, and I had to learn from my mistakes. So for me not to put you on and let you know what I have, I literally feel like I'm gatekeeping, and I don't want that look. So again, what we'll do for you is repair your credit so that a lender never tells you no, and you can build the exact fleet you want, get you access to 50K or more in business funding so that you can protect yourself if anything unforeseen happens, and give you the blueprint to dominate the car sharing industry in any market that you're in. Look at it this way. If if you decide to book a call and you purchase in full on that same call, you're not only going to be a step ahead of every other action taker in your family, but you're also about to be extremely happy about the income and the lifestyle you're about to experience. I'll even make it sweeter. If you do book a call and purchase on that same call, I'll also include free access to my community. Free access to my community for 1 year. The community has over 10 courses that teach you how to earn income and build wealth. You will also gain direct access to myself, my credit repair expert, and my marketing expert. You're gonna get the inner circle. So definitely look into securing one of these final slots so that you don't miss out, and you can join a winning team today to start getting some money. And then if you watch this much of the video, you might as well tap in with me anyway. If that's you and you do want to secure a slot, all you have to do is click the link below and my team will reach out and get you qualified. Then you can start earning income and building your rental car business right now. But if you decide not to book a call due to you not hitting those qualifying data points I mentioned above, which are you making at least $5K a month or having a 620 or higher Experian credit score, don't get down on yourself. Keep hustling, keep providing for your family and your loved ones, and just tap back in with me when you are in a better situation. That way you can join this mentorship and start changing your life right away. For everybody who's still watching this video, go ahead and click the ad below, and I'd love to see you on the other side. Peace.